is here, and I know so many of you are ready to put your fall displays out, to put something pretty on your front porch that's exciting and just bright and welcome everybody into your home. And usually we'd use a mum or something like that, but I am asking you guys to open up your horizons when it comes to fall planting. And so we're going to introduce you to some plants that you can use in your fall displays. This one is one of my favorites. It's a Croton. It has every fall color in it, and so you just can't go wrong with this. And using this as a base to put several other colors and textures around is really nice because you can just match the colors here and you can't go wrong with it. Marigolds are really great. They've got a different texture to the leaf, and they also bring in those fall colors. Purple fountain grass is good. It's got that strappy texture. We've got coleus, and coleus is nice because it comes in so many different colors. You've got chartreuse, maroons, and speckles and solids and all that, and so you can really find something that works with your decorative style. And then of course we have our sweet potato vine, and you know, this one's chartreuse, but this one also comes in a deep burgundy color, kind of the color of this fountain grass as well. So you can mix all these together and create a fall display that works for you. I'm gonna pop some together in this planter so you guys can see something really quick. And this planter looks small, but it fits a lot in here, I think. We're gonna put that Croton in first. Remember, this is your backdrop. This is where this kind of creates that height in the back that you want. And then I think we're gonna put our little fountain grass in right here. Maybe we'll put it like that. So you got your height in the back, and then we're gonna put our little marigolds in the front. Now, when you guys are shopping at your local garden center, make sure that your eyes are kind of filtering out all of the pinks and the purples and kind of those spring colors, and adjust your brain so that you're moving more toward the purples and the burgundies and yellows and oranges and reds that really are so good for the fall. Sorry, these are probably slipping around so you can't see, but all right, we're gonna shove them in there so you guys can see. So you've got high, medium, but you can kind of see through it, and we've got low, and there's your fall display, and there is not a mum to be found. So you guys make sure to go out into your local garden center, tune those eyes into those fall colors, and do something a little different for your fall display this year.